Hi everybody, we're in week 4, so we are talking about Microsoft Word. There's a lot of stuff in the lecture that tells you not just, the bells and whistles and all the features of Word, but it also will talk a little bit about something called APA formatting. APA formatting is a style of writing, academic writing, that's very, very popular throughout academia. Colleges, universities all over the place will use APA formatting to standardize papers, right? So it's not just how do we cite our sources. So a lot of APA formatting is putting in these little things called in-text citations and a reference list at the end. That's a big part of APA style. But another part is just formatting the paper in Microsoft Word so that there is standardization. So everybody who uses APA has a paper that has the same kind of formatting as far as font choice, as far as margins, as far as how the title page looks and how the paragraphs are formatted, and on and on and on. So you're learning about Microsoft Word. You're learning about how to use it. You're learning about all that it has to offer you. You're also going to learn a little bit about APA style. And so to that point, one of the assignments for this week, the Word assessment, is going to basically challenge you to do both things. Formatting in Word, but formatting in APA style in Word. So I want to do this video just to give you a little background and also to kind of give you kind of push you in the right direction, because this can be a bit of a challenge to students. So definitely, if you haven't done it yet, watch it, do it after watching this video. If you've already done it and you watch this video and you're like, oh my gosh, I think I did something wrong, email me and I will let you do it over again. Okay? So what do? Well, here in the week 4 folder, we've got the Word assessment. And as you now know, clicking here is going to bring you to the upload page. What you're going to do though is you're going to open up the directions first. And the directions are right here. And the reason I say that is because in the past, the directions have tripped students up a little bit. So there's a little scenario here. You don't have to write anything on your own. You don't have to do any research on your own. In fact, don't do any. You're going to mess up the whole paper if you do that. This is just saying, let's say you're working on a paper for your class and you need to do this write-up on workplace communication. Okay, that's just the hypothetical, okay? What you need to do is copy and paste the text below into a blank Word document. So you can copy all of this and then you can do Control-C if you want, and then go to a blank document and you can paste it, okay? So we have all this, but we don't need everything. We've got these instructions here. Clearly, we don't want the instructions at the end. So I will take those out and just make sure that I can pull them up again right here, okay? So in my blank document, which is no longer blank, the goal, I'll take these things out, these are little just notes to, to you as the user, or as the person going through this. The goal is now to do, basically to format this properly. And so we're going to look again at those instructions, right? And they say you want to make sure your margins are set at 1 inch. Hint, hint, it's automatically set at 1 inch. So don't need to worry about that. Times New Roman 12-point font, that's what you want. You want to include page numbers at the top right corner of each page. You want to make sure it's formatting the cover page so that all of the stuff on the cover page is appearing properly. Double space, make sure you have a reference. Okay, I'm not going to walk you through how to do every single little thing. There is one thing, though, that I want to show you that makes a huge difference. Instead of just going like this until you get to a new page, add, under the Insert tab, what is called a page break. And if I do that right here, it automatically will drop everything to the next page. So that's the one hint I'm going to give you on this. The rest is up to you. The nice thing, though, is when you're done with this, or you feel like you've done it all properly, you've got only the text you need in there, you can click on this assignment sample that gives you a PDF of what it should look like in the end. So yours should look generally like this. Page numbering, title page, body paragraphs, reference page. It should look just like this, okay? Except your name should go there, Brian Stratton, that kind of thing. You want to change those things. But that is the assignment we're working on this week. Again, if you've already done it and you want to try it again, let me know, email me. If you have any questions, you're concerned, you're not sure if this is going, you're doing something properly, email me and I'd be happy to give you a little bit more information too. Thanks, folks.